Hi all, and welcome back to Creative Rednecking. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite snacks, and that would be red beet pickled eggs. If you haven't tried them, do it because they are awesome. What we're going to need to do this, I usually do about 2.5 dozen eggs at a time. So I got myself a big jar and a whole bunch of hard-boiled eggs in here. All right, you pause for a second. While I was editing this video, I did another one on hard-boiling my eggs in the Instant Pot. So stick around to the end of the video and I will leave a link to that easy peel, surefire way to hard-boil your egg. Okay, resume. So, first thing you need to do, go collect yourself some butt nuggets and get them hard boiled. And then we're going to get ourselves a saucepan. Into the saucepan, 2 cups of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and finally 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt. Canning salt is best. All of that goes in there. Now, the red beets. I'm using some from my garden, but you can go to the store. You can get yourself a 12-ounce can of either sliced or diced red beets. That will work just fine. And they're going right into the pot as well. We're gonna go over to the stove and get this boiling, get everything dissolved, and then I'll be right back to get this finished. So we're back. I got my saucepan off the stove. Everything's been boiling for about 5 minutes, and we're just simply going to fill our jar and make sure the eggs are covered, and hopefully we should have some room at the top because we're going to be mixing this up a little bit. A little hard sitting down, but this is the angle I've got. So we're just going to pour all this right into the jar, making sure all the eggs are covered. We filled our jar so that all the eggs are covered. One thing I did do, I like a little spice in my life. I threw 2 tablespoons of dried ghost pepper into the mix. You can do that, you don't have to. Other thing I'm going to do, just because of the presentation purposes, I'm going to add a little red food coloring, maybe about 6 drops. Then we're just going to take our lid, put it back on the jar, and give it a, ooh, didn't seal very well. Give it a couple of twists. Try to get those red beets down in between the eggs. And there we have it. I'm going to take the lid off, let it cool to room temperature, and then we'll pop them in the fridge for a week. Let them sit for at least a week. This way everything gets a chance, all the flavors soak in, and you'll be good to go. And awesome tasting. Thanks. And if you like what you saw, I've got more videos on lots of different topics. Just bang my chick down here in the corner and subscribe.